Dear listeners, my talk is about the use case of custom beat development. Let's start with a brief introduction about myself. I'm Nabil from Pakistan. I'm a senior software engineer at TechWorks and have around 3+ years of professional experience. With respect to Elastic I worked on the development of beats using Elasticsearch in multiple projects and have experience of working in Kibana. Over the time, I have interacted with some of open source project and have made some occasional open source contributions. Other than that, you will find me speaking at different tech conferences as technology speaker. So a few months back, I came across a use case which led me to the development of OpenVPN Beat. And what is that? It is a migration from Sensu to Elasticstack for the monitoring of servers running VPN services. The goal is to collect OpenVPN connection matrices, which tells how many clients are connected to VPN server and send back information to monitoring service periodically. But there is no beat available for OpenVPN nor a module in existing beat. So what we have? We have the ecosystem provided by Elastic to develop custom beat or extend existing beats functionality, through which we can monitor services that are not provided like OpenVPN is strong one. We can also monitor some specialized protocol like L2TP, PPTP, or we are also able to monitor some custom user defined services like Android device system logs. So basically these are the cases where the custom beat development is helpful. Next, we are going to look at the multiple options for creating a beat. There are two major methods. First, create a beat using beat generator. Second, create a beat by extending existing beats. So the first option is basically creating something which is new. Like we can design beat ourselves. It can be a combination of file beat or audit beat or a beat handling new kind of data. Beat generator is the utility provided by Elastic, which set up all the files required for running a beat. Whereas the second option is about creating a beat which using existing beat as a library. Like metric beat allows us to build module and mount metric set on top of it. So using this option, the generated beat will have the structure of metric beat, and all you need is to implement the custom logic to collect data from services. Since metric beat is efficiently designed to collect metric data, so it is the best option if you are dealing with matrices. But if the use case is about a log or event data, then it would better to go with the first option. Next, I will discuss my use case. For my use case, I have developed a beat using the second option. It using metric beat as a library. What it does, it collects OpenVPN connection matrices by running load state command on management interface of VPN instance running on server. Basically, each OpenVPN instance will expose a management interface which you can access by telnet, where you run the command and fetch the required matrices. You can configure this beat to collect matrices from multiple VPN instances running on one server. And how you can do that? You just need to give a configuration port number in configuration file, and it does the rest for you. It will generate the event per VPN instance at a specified interval. And yeah, it sends the output directly to Elasticsearch or via Log.sh. You can check out the beat at the community at Elastic website on the community beats page. And finally, the greatest lesson I learned from this work is that even when the solution does not exist, the ingredient for it make it exist. So I hope you people always find the ingredient when you don't find the solution. Thanks.